So in order to cross and pick up the trail on the other side, we would have to take off our shoes here, walk barefooted, and then go across. Or just walk with your shoes through. In the summer, that's okay to do because it's hot. And I can walk with my socks wet and shoes wet for a while. Eventually will dry. But this is very cold out here. It's winter now, so it's very hard to be walking with frozen feet. So we're not going to cross over. This is the Jemez River. And then after you cross here, then it goes up 3 ridges, and then down and up, and another, and then up again to get to the McCauley's hot spring, and then over to the Battleship Rock. That's another 3 miles. But those are the hard 3 miles.